right, welcome to the station where you will be nailing your your one planter and your one triangle with your design element together. Okay, you should have a total of 6 boards here. Mr. Gregory will be running the station. You have a bunch of things here. You've got wood glue, and you should have your 6 slats. Please take turns using the nail gun so everyone can get a feel for how all of the equipment works. And you have your brad nailer. Now, I am pushing the trigger right now and nothing is happening. That is because this nozzle has to be pushed down in order for the nails to release. Okay, if you are here and you are pushing your gun and nothing is happening, it's probably because the gun is not turned on. Okay, the brad nailer is not turned on. There's a button at the bottom that you have to push and wait till it lights up green. Once it lights up green, you know the nail gun is on. If you do that and the nail gun still doesn't turn on, you probably need to change the gun's battery, which you will see some replacement batteries over here. Okay. So the first thing you need to do when you get to the station is you need to put a bead of wood glue. This is going to ensure that your triangles will not fall apart and they are more sturdy. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to open my wood glue. And you can see how much wood glue I am putting in. I don't want too much. I don't want it to squeeze all over the place. So I'm going to put my wood glue just on one board. Okay, I don't need it on all 3 boards because then I'll have way too much glue. So then I'm going to go ahead and I am going to set my triangle in my jig. Okay, I'm going to put my triangle together like so. You need to make sure all of your sides fit together. Okay, if you have in one of your triangles, you have a little bit of a gap, we are going to go ahead and use wood glue to fill that. Okay, so what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and get your nail gun. This allows you to put pressure So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to hold it with one hand over your pressure on one side. I am left-handed, so you see the nail gun in the other hand. I'm going to go ahead and put some pressure and squeeze. Okay, I get a nice clean nail. You need 2 nails. Voila. Okay, then I'm going to carefully turn my triangle. The other side, I'm going to go ahead and make sure my triangle is securely in. And I'm out of nails. So, purposely done. I am not out of nails, but I probably have a nail jam. Okay? So if this should happen, you're going to give it to Mr. Gregory, and he will fix it for you. Yep. But you get it. So I'm going to go ahead and reload the nail. You are going to then twist it until you have 2 nails in each side, and you should be good. Happy nailing.